Look at that. This is so simple that all of us can do it. Beginner can really achieve this look so easy. Yeah, 4 leaves clover. You can do 3 leaf. I want to do 4 leaves. Well, you can do 3, totally fine. I think it looks good. It's hard to find, but sometimes you get a good. Thank you, Lily, for stopping by. Did you get the stuff? Lily? Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you, Lily. See you on Wednesday. One, two, three. And then you can do. You want to wait for me just a little bit? We'll finish in a little bit. If you want. Joy me, Lily. She's one of my students. I'm so lucky to have her. All right, I need more. Oh, here. Sorry. I'm still some more from my. I don't know. Should I do that more? I'm doing it that more. All right, so I don't want to do 4 leaf because it's too small right here. I'm going to do it 2 only. Right there. However you want it. And show me what you're doing so we can really love to feature your beautiful work. Hey, this is get a little bit stuff in there. I'm gonna clean it up. Hey Joey, thank you so much, sweetie. Give it to me, clean it on the top. Get a little bit of stuff in there, just clean it, and it works amazing again. So I'm gonna put some of this, really cute. I love that. Oh. Just a little cute. If you don't see, I have it on my side right here. That's why you see me. Where's she picking that from? My, what is that? Sky, shiny sky. I might use this little one because I don't want to do a bigger one to take away from the look of the Clover. If you're happy with this, now you pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. It's so simple, right? Looks super cute and simple and so blinged out. And it stays so flat. You can see that. So flat right on the nails. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And then after that, you're going to using condensed glue gel one more time. And no white top coat, and that nail completely done. So even if you have a really simple nails that clients want to get something, but they don't want to have encapsulating, like that's the one I have it encapsulate completely underneath of the powder. But for clients who wearing a gel polish, they want some different look every time, you can do encapsulating like this. And so that way you can achieve really nice look without have to file the client's nail down every single time. So that's a great tip and trick and great techniques that I would love to share with you. So I'm gonna get out my condensed glue gel. This is so awesome, thick density, so then you can encap, you can apply and here the crystals, charm, chains, anything. And look at that, I'm using a lot of them, and I have another one to my travel as well, and they still last. I almost the end of it, but it will last me a lot too. So sometimes when you receive the shipment, you will see your condensed glue gel is staying one side, which is just it's not cell level. It's not like you're missing anything. It's just like no cell level. So that's why it's staying. But then if you're using it normally, it's totally fine. So I get good amount of this and make sure I apply it completely cover, because sometimes you feel still the edges that it have, like the edges on the side of the nail. You make sure you cover completely. So I'm make sure I blend it really nicely and cover completely. Great. And no wipe top coat on the top, and cure for 60 seconds, and this nail completely done. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I just drop it. But don't worry, if you drop it, it won't spill. Even the bigger one. Thank you, sorry, Lily. Lily, help me get it off. Pick it up. Lily, thank you so much. No wipe top coat. And I haven't cured my condensed glue gel yet. I did it last time to Lily, and I have to do it claw all the way in there under my shout. Blend it nicely, floating on the top. You don't want to pull so hard to the point that it's gonna contaminating and then it start getting sticky. If you're doing it like this, look at how nice and shiny it is, and so clear, crystal clear look. Great. So I am going to pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds for this guy, and this now completely done. Thank you so much, Lori. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in tonight. We did 4 beautiful nails with all different like fusioning, chamfer foil, crystal placements, and it's great to have you join with me. And also, if you have any question regarding to the products and ordering, you can call us at 206-771-5086. And if you have the questions regarding to anything, including class coming in Ann Arbor, you can also message us or call us or DM us. Also, you can email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and take advantage from Valentine's sale still going on for 2 more days. If you haven't picked up where you left off for some products you would like to, just make sure to take advantage from that. And also, don't forget to enter to win a giveaway. When is a giveaway is gonna be in? It's gonna be, hold on. Is the giveaway, I wanna make sure I give the right information because giveaway is okay. Oh, okay. So giveaway is end tonight, Monday, February 17th at 11:59 of Central Standard Time. So the winner will be announced on live stream tutorial on Wednesday, February 19th. Everyone remember, tonight, the 17th at 11:59. So I'm so glad I get the notes right here. So yes, good luck, everyone. Make sure, if you haven't entered to win, it's still time for a few hours to enter to win, and make sure follow every single step. It's super easy. It takes you less than like 2 minutes, I promise. And make sure you follow every single step because they do check every single accounts for it. So, and then make sure that your profile when you repost have to be public so that they can count every single of you. And I don't want anyone to miss the chance to win. So just follow the step. I know you all can do it. And having so much fun, and good luck, everyone. And make sure to check out the class in Ann Arbor coming in next month, March. So it's going to be a great chance to become our master brand ambassador. So you get to be on the side with us and get to work on the trade shows and teaching so many classes throughout all entire states. And also there are 3-day classes. The first day, Debbie, the step, you should go to the original post. You have to screw it like all the way down and to see the original post, the original post that for you. So then you make sure you go from that post, and that will tell you all the steps. So click on the caption. The caption will tell you everything step by step. And for regarding to the class in Ann Arbor, so we'll have 3 days classes. We're really cool. First day, we're working really precise shapes and dipping powder, liquid and powders for both basics and enhancements, which is for both basics, beginners, and is advanced nail tech, and also all different shapes for salon style. The second day will be crystal placement and all the nail art, like you name it, fusion inks, 3D, 4Ds, and encapsulating and crystal placement. It's everything we can name of it. And the Thursday, the chance for you to get to learn how you can able to teach in class, and we're gonna walk you step through step how you can work in the class, how you can able to schedule classes and the trade shows, and how you can able, do a presentation in front of your students, and how you can able to help a lot of thousands of nail techs out there that is really a love and in passion dedicates that looking for a really talented and a passionate person like you to come and help them. So if you need more information for class, don't hesitate to DM us or call us, text us, which is that DM us, and email us at info@Glitz Accessory and such, and call us at 206-771-5086. Thank you so much, everyone. Go and enter to win the giveaway, and good luck, everyone. I will see you tomorrow night with another live tutorial. Thanks so much. Shiny Claws, we are not sure with the schedule yet, but please stay tuned, okay? Because I think, yes, we are going.